Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Welcome to Disney News Jam. Hi everyone and welcome back to your weekly happy place. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified each week when the show drops, and hit the like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all of our group members of Disney Cruising Australia and Australia's Travelling to Disney on Facebook. On this week's show, the first ever Haunted Mansion bar coming to the Disney Treasure in 2024. Adventureland Treehouse in Disneyland opening date announced. We'll tell you what flights to Disneyland and Disney World cost this week. Maria is here for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. Chase is back with his weekly Disneyland ride focus, which is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. This week's Disney Hotel focus is Animal Kingdom Lodge. And Disney Cruise Line announces Lookout Key, a brand new private location. It's another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. The world's first Haunted Mansion-inspired bar on Disney Cruise Line's new ship, the Disney Treasure, is about to materialize. From inspired craft cocktails and an exclusive onboard merchandise collection to nostalgic decor and beloved characters, the Haunted Mansion Parlour will immerse guests in the next chapter of the Haunted Mansion saga, bringing this fan-favourite lore to life in a whole new way. The one-of-a-kind experience will be a swinging wake unlike any other, that of a jovial captain who entered the ghostly realm after a disastrous dinner with his beloved fiancée. The design of the Haunted Mansion Parlour will resemble a first-class drawing room of a classic cruise liner from the Golden Age, invoking inspiration from the original Haunted Mansion with a nautical twist. Complete with nostalgic tributes to Haunted Mansion attractions around the world, fans will recognize the iconic wallpaper and the distinctive purple armchair tucked in the corner. You will also encounter a few legacy characters from the original Disney Parks attraction, as well as some new seafaring arrivals, in a portrait gallery depicting the Disney Treasure's own ghostly residents. On board the Disney Treasure, an exclusive new merchandise collection will offer an array of haunted homewares and sinister souvenirs. The Haunted Mansion Parlour music box will be a keepsake inspired by an eerie music box that will be found inside the Haunted Mansion Parlour. As the rumours go, the mysterious box belonged to the captain's bride-to-be and only opens in the presence of spirits. And inspired by the old grandfather clock from the original Disney Parks attraction, the Haunted Mansion Parlour clock will invoke the nostalgic allure of the Haunted Mansion. And a ghost might even follow you home on your voyage. The Haunted Mansion Parlour mirror will offer a frightening surprise when the hitchhiking ghost mysteriously appear in the frame. Get ready to indulge in a tempting selection of ghostly cocktails that capture the true spirit of the Haunted Mansion. Disney has put together a frighteningly fun set of recipes for you to make these chilling concoctions from the comfort of your own home. Want the perfect zero-proof cocktail? Look no further than the Sympathetic Libations, which will invite you to sip on sour cherry and blood orange flavors in a specialty tiki mug. If you have a sweet tooth, you'll love the Ghoulish Delight, which will combine decadent uber fudge, oat milk, and tapioca pearls into a glittery purple concoction, garnished with a gummy eyeball. A ghostly twist on a classic margarita presented to guests amidst a swirl of flavored smoke, with another signature drink at the Haunted Mansion Parlour. Topped with a lemon salt foam, the tequila-based cocktail will contain a secret message only to be revealed by black light. The Haunted Mansion Parlour is one of several Disney Parks-inspired venues that will debut on board the Disney Treasure. The exciting lineup will also include Skippy Society, a lounge inspired by the Jungle Cruise Parks attraction, and Periscope Pub, which is inspired by the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea Legacy Parks attraction. And we can't wait to see this bar materialize in late 2024. We finally have a date for the Adventureland Treehouse at Disneyland to open, which is November 10th. And here's what Disney Parks blog had to say about it. Calling all explorers, we know you've been eagerly awaiting to once again climb into the treetops high above Adventureland in Disneyland Park. So we've been excited to share that Adventureland Treehouse, inspired by Walt Disney's Swiss Family Robinson, will open on November 10th, 2023 at Disneyland Resort. As previously announced, Adventureland Treehouse will pay tribute to the original treehouse Walt Disney and the Imagineers built in 1962 in honor of the movie Swiss Family Robinson. With a new Adventureland Treehouse, we're excited to introduce a fresh story for the next generation of park goers to experience and enjoy. Among the tree's massive boughs, you'll find the mother's music den, the son's nature room, and the daughter's astronomer's loft. Firm on the ground will be a kitchen and dining room, plus the father's art studio that will display hand-drawn sketches and paintings of each room. As the story goes, the family fashioned an oasis among the trees, inspired by nature and using objects found around them. Here they can collaborate together while also pursuing their own individual skills, talents, passions, and interests. Proud of what they've accomplished and eager to share their way of life with visitors from around the world, the family has rolled out the metaphorical welcome mat, inviting guests to climb up the stone stairway and explore their treetop abode. Adjacent to the stairwell is the home's iconic water wheel, which is powered by a small brook that babbles nearby. The family created a pulley system to deliver water from the stream high up into the trees, generating the energy needed to activate many of their gadgets and inventions. Nestled in the highest part of the home, you'll find the daughter's room, as she has illustrated here in her own abstract style. An admirer of celestial bodies and their magnitudes, motion, and magic, her room provides a clear view of the beautiful night sky. It is here where she spends her time tracking stars, planets, and comets with her many telescopes, no doubt making new discoveries which she logs into her notebooks, sketches, and artistic recreations. In the mother's room, you'll find musical instruments including a harp, lute, guitar, and organ, which she plays to fill the home with cheerful melodies. The twin brothers have packed their room with an impossibly large collection of plants and animals, all living in harmony with one another. Filled with gadgets, appliances, and devices of his own invention, the father's studio reflects the whole family's affinity for exploring the unknown and designing the unimaginable. If you're in Disneyland for the holiday season, don't miss a climb on the Adventureland Treehouse. Right, this coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $1,718, and flights to Orlando International Airport and Disney World come in at $2,008. And let's go over to Maria now for her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this week's Disney News Jam Disney Cruise Tip, a relaxing oasis at the Cove Cafe on the Disney Wonder. The Cove Cafe on the Disney Wonder is a tranquil and inviting space designed for guests to unwind and enjoy their favorite beverages for an additional fee. Located on Deck 9, the Cove Cafe is an exclusive venue to adult guests 18 years of age and older. It offers a peaceful oasis away from the hustle and bustle of the ship's activities. Stay tuned as we explore the features and experiences that make the Cove Cafe a popular spot among cruisers. Atmosphere and design. The Cove Cafe boasts a sophisticated and serene atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a moment of tranquility. The design incorporates elegant furnishings, soothing colors, and soft lighting, providing a cozy and comfortable environment. Whether guests prefer to soak up the sun on the outdoor seating area or relax indoors, the Cove Cafe offers a peaceful ambience that promotes relaxation. Beverage selection. One of the main highlights of the Cove Cafe is its impressive beverage selection. Here are some of the offerings guests can expect: coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. The cafe serves a variety of freshly brewed coffees, including espresso, cappuccino, and lattes. Tea lovers will also find an array of options, from classic blends of herbal infusions. Not to forget the hot chocolate lovers out there, with the hot cocoa magic to please your taste buds. Cove Cafe has over 24 Disney-inspired ripples that you can only find on board your Disney cruise. You can let the baristas surprise you with the design, or you can request a favorite character too. Did you know you can get a free coffee, hot chocolate, or tea after your 5th beverage? Make sure you ask your barista for the Cafe Fanatic Reward Punch card, and your 6th is on the house. Alcoholic beverages. The Cove Cafe features a selection of wines, beers, and specialty cocktails that guests can enjoy while taking in the ocean views. From a refreshing mojito to a classic gin and tonic, there is something to suit every taste. Non-alcoholic options. For guests who prefer non-alcoholic beverages, the cafe offers a range of refreshing mocktails, smoothies, and specialty hot chocolates, snacks and treats. In addition to the beverage selection, the Cove Cafe also offers a variety of complimentary snacks and treats to accompany your drink of choice. Guests can enjoy pastries, cookies, and other delectable treats that are perfect for a quick bite or a sweet indulgence that will be available throughout the day. Specialty experiences. The Cove Cafe also offers several specialty experiences that guests can participate in for an additional fee. These may include tastings of premium coffees, chocolate and wine pairings, or mixology classes led by expert bartenders. These experiences provide a unique opportunity to learn more about the beverages and enhance the overall cafe experience. The Cove Cafe on the Disney Wonder is a serene and inviting space where guests can relax and indulge in their favorite beverages. With its peaceful atmosphere, impressive beverage selection, and accompanying snacks and treats, it's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy some quiet time during your cruise. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, tea enthusiast, or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, the Cove Cafe offers an oasis of relaxation and enjoyment. And that's our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Thank you for that, Maria. It's so hard to believe we now have Disney Cruise Line in Australia, so your weekly tips are even more valuable. And now it's time to go over to the USA for DisneylandToday.net's Disneyland Ride Focus. And this week, it's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad.
This is Chase from DisneylandToday.net here in the USA, and today's ride focus is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I recently had the pleasure of experiencing Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at Disneyland, and let me tell you, it was a truly magical adventure. This innovative and immersive attraction brings to life the beloved characters of Toontown in a way that will leave you smiling from ear to ear. From the moment you step into the queue, you're transported into the vibrant world of Mickey and Minnie Mouse. The attention to detail is astounding, with whimsical decor, catchy music, and interactive elements that will keep you entertained while you wait. The anticipation builds as you make your way through the line, eager to embark on this one-of-a-kind journey. Once on board the train, you're taken on a wild and unpredictable ride alongside Mickey, Minnie, and their friends. The animation-style visuals are stunning and seamlessly blend with the physical sets, creating a truly immersive experience. You'll find yourself laughing, gasping, and cheering as the story unfolds around you. One of the most impressive aspects of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is the technology employed to bring the characters to life. The use of projection mapping and audio animatronics is seamless and adds an extra layer of realism to the experience. It truly feels like you're stepping into a Mickey Mouse cartoon come to life. The storyline is engaging and keeps you hooked from start to finish. It's filled with surprises, twists, and turns that will keep both kids and adults entertained. The attraction also features catchy songs that will have you humming along even after you've left the ride. Overall, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is a must-visit attraction at Disneyland's Toontown. It offers a unique and immersive experience that will leave you with memories to cherish. Whether you're a lifelong fan of Mickey and Minnie or simply looking for a fun-filled adventure, this ride is sure to delight. So, hop aboard and join Mickey and Minnie on their unforgettable journey. That's it for today. Make sure you go over to DisneylandToday.net for all the latest news on the Disney parks and info on Disneyland. Scan the QR code and make sure you head over to our TikTok. Hope you have a magical day. It's back to you, John.
Thank you for that, Chase. We love the look of that ride. It's so awesome. And this week's hotel focus is Animal Kingdom Lodge at Walt Disney World. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is a stunning resort located in the Walt Disney Resort in Orlando, Florida. It offers guests a unique African-themed experience right in the heart of the Magic Kingdom. This magnificent lodge is designed to resemble an African wildlife reserve. complete with lush landscapes and exotic animals roaming freely. The architecture and decor of the lodge are inspired by African art and culture, creating a truly immersive experience for visitors. One of the highlights of staying at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is the chance to see animals up close. The resort features several savannas where guests can observe a wide variety of African wildlife, including giraffes, zebras, antelopes, and more. Many of the rooms also offer views of the savannas, allowing guests to enjoy the sights and sounds of the animals from the comfort of their own room. In addition to its unique wildlife experiences, Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge offers a range of amenities and activities for guests to enjoy. The resort features multiple restaurants serving delicious African-inspired cuisine, as well as pool, fitness center, and spa. There are also cultural activities such as storytelling and music performances that allow guests to immerse themselves in a rich tradition of Africa. Whether you're a nature lover, an animal enthusiast, or simply looking for one-of-a-kind Disney experience, Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is sure to exceed your expectations. It combines the magic of Disney with the beauty of Africa, creating an unforgettable vacation destination. Disney has shared new details on some of the exciting places you'll find at Disney's Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point when it debuts in summer 2024. Disney's Lookout Cay is Disney Cruise Line's newest one-of-a-kind retreat on the island of Urethra. As soon as guests step foot on the breathtaking island destination, they will discover a celebration of Bahamian storytelling, artistry, and culture. So let's take a look at the arrival point, Mabrika Cove. Mabrika means welcome in Taino, the language of the Lusians, who are considered the indigenous people of the Bahamas. While the language is no longer used, a few words remain, one of them being Mabrika. At this colourful arrival point, guests will immediately experience the warmth of Bahamian culture. This next space is guaranteed to be the most festive on the island. The Gumambe Cultural Centre will embody the essence of Junkanoo, a Bahamian festival filled with joyous music and vibrant parades that will come to life in many ways across Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. Gumbe is one of the traditional music styles of the Bahamas, involving singing, dancing, and drumming. The brilliantly coloured cultural pavilion and the Junkanoo-inspired arch will invite guests to embrace the traditions of the Bahamas, along with the sights, sounds, and spirit of the country's signature festival. There'll be plenty of family entertainment in store at Triton's Trumpet Stage. And fun fact, the gazebo's name is inspired by one of the stunning natural wonders, a large spiraled seashell commonly called Triton's Trumpet. And for Disney fans, if Triton sounds familiar, you might recognize it as the name of the mighty king of the beloved Disney animated classic, The Little Mermaid. Of course, there are shopping opportunities. Treasures of Elitra will be the retail shop featuring locally made gifts and artisan crafts. The shop will spotlight Bahamian artists through an array of unique items that families will be able to bring home with them as a special keepsake. So, is there going to be an adults-only space on the island? Serenity Bay will be a relaxing retreat exclusively for adults 18 years of age and older. For those of you who've sailed with Disney Cruise Line before, you might recognise Serenity Bay as a must-visit location on Disney's Castaway Cay. At Disney Lookout Cay, Serenity Bay will feature a tranquil beach experience with a dining area and private cabanas available for reservation. And we can't wait to learn more about this incredible Bahamas retreat. Keep following Disney News Jam for all the details. And everyone, that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Marie will be back very soon with merchandise and fashion top 10. And until then, it's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.